Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you a very important topic that is actually 100% confirmed topic from the UGC NET, that is the genetic algorithm from the artificial intelligence. As per the previous year's analysis of December 2018, June 2019 and even also 2020, I have seen that there are questions from genetic algorithm. Sometimes they are asking the statement type theoretical conceptual question. So, it is a question of 2020. Just read it and try to solve it. If you are able to solve, if you already know the concept, that is very good. So, just save it, pause the video and try to solve it. Yes, the answer is this. And another question I am going to show you, this is another question. It is a question of fitness function. The fitness function is given and there are some population is given, and from that population it is asking the fitness of the chromosome. So, this question you are not able to solve. If you are not able to solve this type of question, then the free class is for you. There will be a 1 hour free class. In this 1 hour free class, I will discuss already I have discussed a genetic algorithm overview yesterday, and today 7 p.m. another class is there to calculate how to calculate this question, how to do the fitness function, from the fitness function how to get the strength. After that, not only here it is a question, same question definitely it will not ask again, but from this part another parts, more parts are remaining. That is, after solving this, how actually you are selecting the chromosome for the crossover, how the crossover is going on, and after crossover how the mutation is going on, how you can stop, when the genetic algorithm will stop. So, if you want to understand this throughout the process of genetic algorithm, because it is a confirmed topic, then must join the class today at 7 p.m. or you can watch the recording also. If you are watching this video later, then you can watch the recording also from the given link in the description below. Don't miss the genetic algorithm topic. If you can cover the free classes of genetic algorithm, I will take 3 to 4 classes from the genetic algorithm. Already one class done, and today's class is very important. That class I will cover the numerical part. After that we will do some MCQ. So, there will be a consecutive 3 to 4 classes of genetic algorithm. After doing the genetic algorithm class, your concept will be totally done and you will be able to answer all the question. And this is never, means for the first time I am going to cover this topic, and most of the resources you will be not able to find out this complete things of genetic algorithm. So, it is the answer for this question is this, but how to solve it, I will discuss it in that class. And here it is another question, that is order of schema. What is order of schema? How to understand what is the answer of this question? It is asked of in June 2019. So, the answer of this question is this. Now, you are confused that how to do this type of question, because every time they are asking different types of question, means they are trying to focus on genetic algorithm. You have to learn in detail, in depth. It is not possible that if you know this answer then same question will come. No, you have to learn total genetic algorithm in detail. So, must watch the video or must join the live class. I am giving the link in the description below through my referral code Priyanka CS. This is my referral code. In the Unacademy platform, you can watch my free classes, you can download my free PDF, all the PDFs are available to you. So many free series is going on. I have already completed so many subjects. Those who are following me, they are asking for the PDF. So, from the Unacademy only you can download the PDF. Must join Unacademy platform, free classes at 7 p.m. I am covering paper 1, paper 2 both, and I am giving the link in the description below of my Unacademy profile and the genetic algorithm classes also. Must join it, and I will see you today at 7 p.m. or if you are watching later, then you can watch the recording also. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.